Namaskar. Welcome to my Healthy Bhava channel. This is Priyanka here. See, we have often noticed that our body tend to reduce few of the kgs or inches by following with the strict diet and controlled food, and also following few of the walking, stretches and exercises. But the main concern arises when we don't see any changes around our abdominal or belly button part. Right, so I'll take you to a tour of today with a few of the very basic asanas which will certainly help you out and burn your abdominal or belly fat if you strictly and honestly adhere to my instructions along with controlled diet. Yes, diet has major role in the reduction of your belly fat as well. So let's begin first. Stretch out legs wider. And please do not forget to subscribe my Healthy Bhava channel and press the like button if you really love my video. Legs apart, ankles, toes slightly inward to just avoid any kind of injury to your ankle. Breathe in, just bring your right arm, slide it to the right thigh and breathe out. Bring your left arm towards right side over your left ear. Come up, breathe in, breathe out. This one will help out on your sides. 10 times each side. Do not increase the number. If you are beginner, please stick to the numbers first. Later on, increase the numbers. Relax. Let's come back. And now let's go to second asana. Let's move on to plank. I'll show you the perfect alignment of the plank. This is plank. Wrist under your shoulders. Legs straight at the back. Tucking the toes. Neck and body should be in one straight line. Now here you have to go with the 10 times with the right leg and 10 times with the left leg. I'll show you plank climber like this. Breathe in, out. 10 times. Do not move your waist up or down in this pose. Rather remain static in plank. Change. Relax, drop down your knee. So this is first set. Change on. Come on to your back. Let's go with the supine asana. Lie down on your back. Straighten your leg. Place the palms beside thigh. You can place it under your thigh or beside your thigh, your choice, your comfort. And bring your right leg up. Breathe out, down. At the same time, raise your left leg up. This you have to follow 10 times each side. Total would be 20. See, if you are practicing along with me, you can feel the fat started to burn out. Continue. 10 times. Relax. I have walked on 10 times. Relax and again come down on your prone. Let's come to plank. High plank. Again wrist in line with shoulder. Hold this posture for 30 seconds initially. 2. My favorite posture. Drop down after 30 seconds, relax and again come down on your back. Yes. Now let's move on to Setu Bandhasan. Palms beside your knee, palms beside your leg and legs together, heels closer to the hips. Raise your first hips up, palms are still grounded to the mat. Raise your hips up, then your waist, then your chest. Completely body resting, upper body resting on shoulder. Setu Bandhasan. And here pulse 20 times like this. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, with a smile, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Drop down your waist, complete body, legs straight. And now place the palms under your hips. This is the last asana. Bring your legs up at 90 degree. If your kneecap is not getting straightened, it's so stiff, you can slightly bend it, but try to straighten your kneecap. Toes in and hold here 20 seconds only. While holding, ensure the kneecap is completely stretched, poker stiff and toes active. Hold. After this, go to 75 degree, 20 times, that's it. See, these are very simpler asana, does not demand any dynamicity. Only the kneecap should be stretched and tightened. 60 degree. It's totally working on my lower abs, upper abs slightly as well. And to 30 degree, toes active. I'm sweating. And drop down completely your legs. Relax here for a while for a count of 10 seconds. And that's all was the asanas part for today's session. So basically what you have to remember in this pose, this asana, you have to slowly increase the number of repetition. I have shown 10 times of each asana, but you have to increase the number slowly, gradually after 10 days to 20 days. So thank you so much for watching my video. Once again I say, if you really love my video, please do not forget to subscribe and press the like button. Thank you so much. Take care.